Okay, I'm going to talk about finding x-intercepts of quadratic functions. So I'm going to do this by taking a look at your homework, and I'm going to share my screen. Just give me a minute. Let's see here. Okay, so I'm in module 7, and I'm just going to go over a few of these questions on finding the x-intercepts from a graph. So intercept means to meet or cross, and that's what's happening here. We have this function which is quadratic because it's shaped like a parabola, we can tell that, and it crosses the x-axis in two places. So there are two x-intercepts. Typically, an x-intercept is a point. And so the way that your textbook talks about x-intercept, it talks about it as a value. And what they mean is the x value of the point, because the y value is always 0. Since you're lying on the x-axis, the y value is always 0. So we don't really need to talk about 0 because we already know that for all x-intercepts, the y value is going to be 0. So the intercept is actually a point. But sometimes we say to find the x-intercept, we're just looking for the x value, and that's what your textbook is doing here. So this point right here is -3, 0, and so that's the x-intercept. So we say -3 is one of the x-intercepts. And here this point is 5, 0, so we just refer to the x-intercept as 5. And so it's -3, 5. So D is the correct choice. Moving on to question 2. Here the x-intercepts are -5 and 2. See how easy this is? It's really not that hard. Here, the x-intercepts are -1 and 3. All right, I'll let you do those problems, and the next video will be for the next topic.